Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to create a website using WordPress. Now this is the site on which WordPress has been installed recently. Now if you want to know how to install WordPress or how to purchase domain name and hosting, click on the I button. You will see the videos for all these things. Now this is the WordPress dashboard. The first thing which we are going to do is that we are going to install a theme. So let's go to Appearance, Themes, and Add New. Search for Astra, install. Click on Activate. Now once the theme is activated, just refresh your website once. And the look and feel of our website has changed completely. Now we are using Astra because of one specific reason. This theme enables us to import sites directly. Let us see now. Go to the plugins, click on Add New. Search for Astra. Okay. Now this is the plugin which we will install, Astra Starter Sites. Now this plugin will help you to import a website completely. Let us click on Activate. Okay, now the plugin is activated. Hover over to Appearance and select Astra Starter Sites. Now you have to select a page builder. We will select Elementor. Now Elementor is the most famous WordPress page builder. 99% of websites use Elementor. Now let us select any one of these websites. Now there are various options available: all, blog, business, e-commerce. Let us select the free one. This is looking good, so let us preview this. Now this complete website will be imported in place of our website. Now our website looks currently something like this. Okay, now let us import this site. Now notice the checkboxes to the left. Now these checkboxes tell us that these plugins will be installed, settings will be customized, and content will be imported. As that website has some fancy images and content, all these things will be directly imported. Now let us wait till the importing is finished. Then we will edit the website according to our requirement, and also we will create a page from scratch. So let us wait until this importing is completed. It's almost done. Okay, the import has been done. Now let us click on View Site. Now this is how our website looks now. So it is looking beautiful. Previously our website looked something like this, pretty much simple, with the default WordPress theme, not with default theme, with the Astra theme. But this is how our website looks. Now we will make changes to this website according to our own need. Now we will edit this, we will edit the images, we will edit this content. So let us click on Edit with Elementor. Now as we mentioned that Elementor is a page builder. While editing anything on page, you need Elementor. So let us edit with Elementor. Okay, now this is the page. Now let us make changes to this. Click on this content. So when you click on this content, then you will see something to the left as Explore the Colorful World. So this content which is over here, we can edit it by changing here and Explore the Digital Marketing World with Digitallybuddha. Let us change this to, click over here. Notice the changes on the left. First we clicked over here, it was edit heading. Again click over here, edit heading. Let us change this title. Now let us change the content of this button. So click on this button. So now here it is edit button, here it is edit heading, here once you click on the button, edit button. Now let us edit the text. Start learning. Now let us change this background image. Now this image is the default one, just come along with the site. Let us change this. In order to make these changes, click on this middle thing, edit section, click on that. Once you click on edit section, then come to the styles. Okay, now choose on image. Now we will upload our own images. So this is upload files and this is the media library. Now the images in media library are automatically imported by the plugin. So let us add our own images. Select files. So we have some files ready with us. Let us add them. Open. It's taking some time. Once the images are uploaded, we can change the background immediately. Okay, the images are getting uploaded. It does not take this long, maybe due to slow connection. Okay, it is done. Let us choose this image. Click on insert media. Okay, now we have successfully edited this section. So let us click on update. So whenever you make any changes, make sure that you click on this update, or else the changes won't get reflected. Let us refresh. Okay, now all our changes are getting reflected. Let us edit the downside section now. So again we click on the content which we want to edit. That is the editor, text editor. Let us change this. Digital marketing is future of marketing. Let us click on this. Again, text editor. From downside, we have successfully edited these two sections. Again, click on update. So each time when you make the changes, make sure you click on update. Let us refresh this site again. Okay, let's do this again. Done. Now let us change this to. Click on this, edit, upcoming workshops. Now let us change these images. So click on this image and then click on choose image. Now you can choose any image which you want. So we'll choose this one. Click on insert media. Okay. Again click on this content and title and description you can edit it. Facebook ads workshop. Click on this content. You can edit this. Join the 2 days free Facebook ads workshop. Similarly, we can make changes to this section too. So click over here, click on this image, click on choose image. Let us choose WordPress. Click on insert media. Now the image is updated. Click on again this heading. Let us copy it from here. Okay, let us paste it. WordPress workshop. Okay, let us change the content. Again, copy paste to make our work faster. WordPress workshop. Okay, now let us change the content from here. So it is learn more. Let's click on this button and change the text of learn more to join now. or register now. Same thing over here. If you want, we can change the color of this button too. So click on this button in this edit button menu, click on style, click on background color, and you can choose any color. Suppose we choose black. Now this is in black color. Let us repeat again. Click on this button, will be in this edit button section. Click on style, click on background color, and you can choose black. Now this is updated. So let us go on to the next section now. Suppose we don't want this section. Let's remove this. Upcoming tours and destinations. Again the same process. It is very easy. Click on this. So upcoming digital marketing batches. Let us change the content. We will put out some random content. The best digital marketing course and learn from experts. Okay, now again let us change the color of this button. Click on this button, again click on style, background color, make it black. Then suppose you want to change the content of this button, click on button, you are in the edit button, then click on content, change the text to join now. Now we can change the position of this button by alignment to center. We can change the size of this button as size to when you click on medium or extra large. Okay, I think the changes are not getting reflected. Let us see. So we have made changes over here. Now let us change this images. Now let's click on this image, choose image, WordPress, insert media, image, click on image, choose image, Google AdWords, insert media, okay. Now let us click on update. Now we have edited all the sections on this page. Now let us refresh our website once. It is looking nice. Upcoming workshops, upcoming digital marketing batches. Okay, now let us make changes to the header and footer of the website. Now the header is nothing but this upside part, and this is the menu of the website. Similarly, the footer is nothing but this downside part. Now let us make changes to the header and footer of the website. We have made changes on the page. Let us change the header and footer. In order to do that, click on this customize over here. Let's click on customize. Okay, now first we will customize the footer. Now click on this blue icon. Now it is showing all the options which can be edited. Now let us change this to Digitallybuddha. Okay, now if you want, we can completely delete these things and we can keep only those things which we want. This is done. Now let us make changes to this header. Now this is nothing but the menu. So again click on publish to make changes. Back. Click on menus, and in menus you can see all these options: home, about us, services, project, contact us. These are all these options. Now suppose we want to rename contact to contact us. Then click on this contact. On this navigation label, write contact us. Now this change is reflected over here. Click on publish. Suppose you want to make this logo bigger, then click over here and logo width. Let us change this logo width to 256. Click on publish. Now we have edited the menu part, that is the header part, the footer part, as well as the page. Now let us close this. Similarly, you can edit other pages. Let us go to contact us. Okay, now here something is different. Now this is a form, this is the contact form, and this form is made using WP Forms plugin. Now we will show you how to make changes to this forms. Now let us go to our dashboard. Now this form is made by dashboard, this plugin WP Forms. Now hover over WP Forms, click on all forms. Now this is the form, contact form 1, which is present over here. Click on contact form 1. So you can see these 3 fields, right? Now let us edit this page with Elementor. Whenever you want to make changes to the page, you have to edit it with Elementor. Okay. Now you can see, click on this edit icon, edit shortcode. Now here there is only a single code. Now this code is nothing but a short code. Now whenever you want to put another form or embed another form over here, you have to change this shortcode. Suppose we delete this shortcode and we want this form to come over here, and what we will do, we'll click on embed, we'll copy this thing and we will paste it over here. You can see now this is visible. Now what I want to do, I want to make changes to this form. We want to add one new field. Suppose we want to add this number fields, then drag and drop it to the forms and click on save. Again click on embed, copy this, delete this, click on paste. You can see the numbers field is visible. In this way you can create your own forms using this WP Forms plugin. Now this is the trial version of this plugin. For when the database increases and you have lot of entries, then you have to go for the premium version. There are other plugins, so this is just an example. So let us click on update. So now we have updated this form. Let us click on okay. Now we have edited this website, we have edited the form. Now in the last part we will create a new page completely from scratch and we will add that page to this menu. Now let us do that. Click on close, hover over to pages and click on add new. Okay, let us name this page as my page. Click on edit with Elementor. Notice that once you click on edit with Elementor, it will automatically get published over here. So let us see now. Okay, now this is creating a page completely from scratch. Now a page is a combination of sections. So a page consists of different sections and you have to create a new section and add elements in that. So let us click on this plus symbol and select your structure. So let us select this single section structure. Okay, so stretch section, yes. Now this is the section. Now we have to add elements in this section. So let us click on this and let us add some heading. Drag this heading, drop over here, change the heading to my heading, center this heading and let us add some background image to this section. Now notice the difference. We are editing this heading part over here by clicking on this pencil button, and we are editing this section over here by clicking on this middle part. Okay, now the heading is inside the section, so if we delete the heading, then the section will be as it is, but if when we delete the section, the heading will disappear. So the heading is inside the section. Okay, now let us add an image, background image like this to the section. Click on this section, click on style, click on background type classic, click on choose image. Now let us choose an image. So let us choose maybe this one. Click on insert media. Okay, the media has been added, but as the height of the section is really very small, due to that only this much part of this image is visible. Now let us increase this. So click on this edit section, and another important part in WordPress is this margin and padding. So click on edit section, click on advanced, and let us add some margin and padding. So a margin is nothing but a distance between the two elements, and padding is nothing but distance from inside. Now we will make a separate video on all the small details. So for this moment, let us add this to 100. Let's add this to 100. Make the padding also 100. The heading is not visible. Let us change the color of this heading. Let us make the text color as white. Okay. As you can see now, the image has been applied to the background, but the image is getting repeated. So this is one image, and the same image is getting repeated. Oh, I'm sorry. So now let us change that to click on edit section, and in the repeat, click on to no repeat. But as you can see now, only a small part is occupied. Now click on size and click on cover. Now it is looking nice. So let us click on publish. Have a look at our page. Okay, but still you can see that here the menu has been covered up by the image, and here there is no such thing. It is because this header is a normal header and this header is a transparent header. So this is a normal header and this is a transparent header. Now we want to make our normal header to the transparent one. So let us make that changes. Okay, now let us go exit to dashboard. Now on the right hand side in the Astra settings, click on this customize setting of this transparent header and click on enabled and click on update. Now let us refresh our page. Now you can see this looks similar to this. This is nothing but the transparent header. Now one last part of this video. Now as you can see that, let us go to the home. Our my page, which is our this page, is not visible on this menu. Let us add my page to this menu. For that, click on customize. Click on menus. Again click on menu and click on add items. Click on my page. Click on publish. As you can see now, my page is visible over here. So let us see. Now this is how our website looks now. So we edited the complete page, we made changes to the header, we made changes to the footer, we changed the size of logo, we changed the form over here. So that's it from this video. We hope you learned something new. See you in the next one.